Now we request to everyone who are watching this video, please share your comments. It is a good decision or a bad decision. So comment on it and subscribe to our channel.
So very good evening to all my dear students. Today we have a wonderful topic for debate. India Alliance boycotted 14 anchors. Is it a good decision or it is not a good decision? So we are going to discuss on this topic, and you all know why India Alliance boycotted 14 anchors. I hope you all will have some knowledge about this topic, because without knowledge we can't discuss or we can't debate on any topic. Okay, so this is really warning topic in our country, and you all know 26 parties made a alliance with Congress, and that alliance is called India Alliance. Okay, so Congress spokesperson Pavan Khera made a list and released a list on Wednesday. We are boycotting these 14 anchors because of some reasons. Opposition parties think that these anchors do partiality, and the opposition parties leaders say that media should ask question from government, not opposition party. And you will have seen mostly media ask question from opposition party. Media doesn't ask question from government. This is the reason. So what would you like to say about it? Is it a good decision or is it not a good decision?
First of all, good evening to everyone. In my point of view, it is a good decision because as we all know, the 14 anchors who are boycotted by India Alliance, they are asking question to the opposition party, not the government, by the 9 years. As I know about that topic, the Pavan Khera, who is the spokesperson of Congress party, he said that these anchors twist the speeches, make memes about the opposition parties, not the government, whose government is spread fake news about. And I think it is a good decision by the opposition parties who take the decision to boycott these 14 anchors.
Okay. So, Sanchi, don't you think that this is the attack of media's freedom? Because media is the fourth pillar of our country, and if opposition party or India Alliance has boycotted 14 anchors, so their freedom may be in danger. What do you think about it?
Yes, it is true that if Indian Alliance doesn't boycott 14 anchors, then it may be danger for Indian news channels. Or
Doesn't boycott.
if doesn't boycott.
If doesn't boycott, then it will be good for the media.
We think now time it's good, but for a longer time it's not good at all, because it's these peoples who is boycotted. They are the peoples spreading fake news and misconceptions and very bad things with topics of religion and different kind of things.
So this is a good decision, and they didn't attack on media's freedoms. Now let me tell you who are these 14 anchors. Aman Chopra from Network 18 News Channel, Prachi Parasar from India TV, Rubka Liaquat from Bharat 24, Chitra Tripathi from Aaj Tak, Amish Devgan from News 18, Arnab Goswami from Republic Bharat. And there are other anchors also. I didn't mention the name of all the anchors. So this is a really very burning question in our country, because and BJP, now I want to tell you one more thing. BJP criticized and condemned the Congress party, and the Congress party has a history. They boycotted media on different times. This is the history of the Congress. It was said by the BJP government, BJP leaders. It was said by the BJP leaders. And BJP party also said that this is a Ghamandiya alliance. They think that this is not a good alliance and this is a Ghamandiya alliance. So what do you think? This is really Ghamandiya alliance or this is a good decision of all the opposition party?
I think I'm not that much aware about the media or the system of politics, but I think so. If the peoples who take this decision, they really want the India's welfare. They really think about the peoples of India's welfare. So it's a good decision. Or if they are just making themselves visible for the upcoming elections, so it is not the good decision, because maybe the BJP is saying it is right.
What is the meaning of news? Because we watch news by getting awareness. And we can understand, we can know what is happening around us. That's why the people watch news. If the media do not work properly, and now we have more options to reach our thing to the public, because now there are many YouTubers. And they have many subscribers. They have lot of subscribers. These days, most of the people watch news on mobile. Now people don't watch news on television. And most of the people who are YouTuber, and they make good news, true news. That's why people like them. It is the reason. And now they have option. That's why they took a decision. If they don't have any option, then I think India Alliance did not boycott the media, because now they have option to reach their things. Now people don't believe on media because they do not make good news, correct news. They twisted the statements of the people. This is the big problem, because if you say that you are a fourth pillar of our country, then it's your duty to publish correct and good news. Now I want to give you an example. One day I was watching a news, and Neha Singh Rathore, I think she is a good lok gayika. And when she asked a question to news anchor, and then news anchor replied, because the leader won by 5 lakh and 7 lakh votes. That's why she doesn't ask question to him. So this is bad thing. If somebody won by 5 lakh votes or 6 lakh, 7 lakh votes, then you will not ask question. And they belong to BJP party. So that was really bad thing. Media should not do this type of things. Because if anybody won by 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh votes, it doesn't matter. It's the duty of media. If somebody committed any mistake, then it's your duty to ask question to him. Whether he belong to BJP party or whether he belong to Congress, Aam Aadmi and other party, it doesn't matter. Because for the media, everybody is equal. But media doesn't behave equally to all the parties and with all the leaders. That's the problem. And after coming this decision, media will think about it.
Good evening everyone. My name is Arnab Pal. I am in 5th standard. Today we have nice topic. India Alliance why could 14 anchors or not? It is good decision.
This is very warning question on which we have discussed, and suddenly we have not prepared much about this topic, and all the students who are participating in this group discussion or in this debate, they don't have much knowledge about politics. But I appreciate your efforts, because you did your job well. You did your 100% on this debate, on this group discussion, and that is amazing.
Now I am going to ask a question from all audience who are sitting here. It is a good decision or not? So excuse me, sir, what do you think about that? It is a good decision or not?
According to me, it's a good decision.
And you, sir?
According to me, it is good.
Do you like the decision?
Yes, I like.
And you, sir?
Good decision.
And
According to me, it is good decision.
do you know what is the decision the Indian alliance take?
No.
How can you say that it is a good decision or not?
According to me, it is good decision.
Good decision. And according to you?
According to me, really good decision.
Okay. And what do you think about that? It is a good decision or not for the media?
It is really very good decision.
It is really good decision.
Yes, it is good decision.
Good decision.
हाँ वही बोला.
Yeah. And according to you?
According to me, it is a good decision.
Now we request to everyone who are watching this video, please share your comments. It is a good decision or a bad decision. So comment on it.
जो लोग इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें.